In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a custom font on Squarespace. If you're looking to give your website a unique and professional look, customizing your fonts is a great way to do it. Squarespace makes it easy to adjust your typography, whether you're using their built-in font library or uploading your own custom font. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to update and style your website's fonts to perfectly match your brand. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to get started. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. If you prefer, you can use the Continue with Google option to log in. Now, depending on your Google account's security settings, you may be prompted to enter your password or confirm your identity, so make sure you're ready to complete that step if necessary. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Squarespace account dashboard. From here, locate the website you want to edit. If you have multiple sites under your account, make sure to double-check that you're selecting the correct one. When you've found it, click on it to open up the website's dashboard. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Design section. This is where all the visual customization options for your site are located. Once you're in the Design section, find and click on the Style option. This will bring up a set of tools that allow you to modify the look and feel of your website. Now, look for the Fonts option. It's typically represented by an arrow, so click on that to access the Font Styling menu. This is where you'll be able to make all the adjustments to your site's typography. Once you're in, select Assign Styles. This will open up the customization interface, where you can tailor your fonts to suit your needs. To start customizing, you'll want to focus on the headings first. Headings are an important part of your website's structure and design because they help organize content and catch your visitors' attention. Click on the Headings option to modify the font styling for all the headings on your site. Now, under the Headings menu, look for the Font option. Clicking here will allow you to browse through the available fonts provided by Squarespace. If you're using one of Squarespace's default fonts, simply scroll through and pick the one that best matches your brand's aesthetic. Alternatively, if you've uploaded a custom font to Squarespace, you can find it in the list and select it. Custom fonts are a great way to make your website stand out, especially if you want it to align with existing branding, materials like logos or print designs. Once you've selected your desired font, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is usually located in the top or bottom right corner of the page, and click it. Saving ensures that all your adjustments are applied to your site. Now that everything is set, preview your website to see how the new fonts look in action. It's important to check your site across different devices to make sure the font renders properly and is easy to read. Remember, accessibility is key. Choose fonts that are not only visually appealing, but also legible for all users, including those with visual impairments or other disabilities. And there you have it. You've successfully updated and customized the fonts on your Squarespace website. If you have any questions or need help with other Squarespace features, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.